Hello everyone, welcome to Doing Group. We're the manufacturer of solar panel recycling equipment. This is the 3D video of our physical way to recycle the scrap solar panel. We also have another way with using the furnace to recycle. You can type which kind of solar panel you want to process and your capacity, and then we will introduce the suitable certificate plan for you. The first way, there are two main ways we can recycle the solar panel. The first is using the physical way, using the crushing and separation plant to recycle the silicone, the glasses, copper, aluminium frame, and the plastic. By the way, we also can have the tunnel furnace to recycle, and this is a chemical way. It needs to heat the board and to heat the glue, make it separate with each other, and to recycle it. These are suitable for different kinds of raw materials. That is suitable for different kinds of, like this machine is the physical way. It's suitable for the single glasses PCB board. And if your raw material, a new one is the double glasses size shape, that the furnace, the chemical of the tunnel furnace one is more suitable. If you are mixed materials, like both have the double glass and the single glass side, then you can choose the tunnel furnace is a good way, is a better way, because the double and single side is also suitable by using this tunnel furnace. But if your region or your business is pay more attention to the eco-friendly thing, you don't want pollution, or you want just the last cost of the machine, the physical way is more suitable. Because it is physical way, so there are no smoke, there are no chemical waste, there are no water waste during the production. The only thing that we need to process is the dust. So 2 post collector is enough. And the consumption of the energy and electricity is also more lesser than the tunnel furnace design. So during the live show, if you have any questions or other thing that you want to know, you can leave in the comment section, or you can send a private message to us. Tell us how we can contact with you and what's your requirements. Then our sales manager will give you more introduction about this production line. Like this is the physical way to separate different things from a solar panel. This step is to cut the board for several pieces, and then it will be more easier to crush and separate. And this is the step that to remove the board, the function box, and the back of the board. And then I will remove the aluminium frame by using this machine. And then the step is the glass removing machine. To remove the glasses, first we need to crush the glasses to the particle side, and then to use the stain vat to remove them from the board. And this is a double shaft shredder to crush the board from whole pieces to 3 to 5 centimeter. And this is a crusher to crush it to 1 centimeter, less than 1 centimeter, and using this grinding machine to grade them to powder type. For the separation machine, we use the ID vibrating screen and the air separator, the electrostatic separator to separate several particles. We separate silicon, separate plastic and copper. So the first step is using the ID vibrating screen to separate the silicon because it's more thin. Size is more thin than the copper and plastic, so we can use the shred that to separate them. And then we use the air separator. It's the main device to separate the copper and plastic. The separation rate nearly 95 to 97. But now in the plastic, we also have several the small pieces of copper inside, and the copper is much more high value than the plastic. So we can use the electrostatic separator to separate again. Then the separation rate can reach to 97 to 99%. So if you have any questions, you can type in the comment section. And if you want to contact with us, you can type your contact ways to us privately about the WhatsApp number, the email. Then our sales manager will contact with you and send you the prototype. Send you the quotation. The prototype cannot send you. You can come here to China to have experiment of your material, or in our factory also have some raw material of solar panel and lithium battery. You can have a test to see the running principle and the separation rate. This is the second crushing machine, crusher. The first crushing machine is the shredder to shred them to 3 to 5 centimeter. And this is the box, an area that can make the noise smaller and to control the dust. Like the crusher, the grinder, and the air separator as noise is higher, so we need to control it to the standard that's smaller than 85 dB. Do you have any questions about the live show? So if you are interested in the machine or interested in the business of solar panel, you can contact with us. And these are some prototype in our factory. We have the fully continuous, semi-continuous processing line. Have different size, different capacity from 1 ton to 5 ton. All the equipment support to be customized. So welcome to our factory to see the real production line. The step. So our final product is 5 main things. We first separate the aluminium frame by using this machine, and then we separate the glasses by using the glass removing machine. And next we will use the crusher, the grinder to grind them to the powder type. Then we can get 3 main powder, the copper powder, the plastic powder, and the silicone powder. So the plastic powder nearly 10% of one bird, and aluminium plastic 10%, glasses 70%, silicone 5%, and 7% of the copper. So nearly 100% of the whole board, we can recycle and reuse them. This is the 3D video of our semi-continuous solar panel recycling plant. This is a grinder which have a water cover outside to make the grinder machine is in a normal temperature, and it can prolong the service life of it. And this is the anti-vibrating screen to separate the silicone powder, which is one of the main final products from the one board. The air separator. And this is electrostatic separator to separate the copper inside the plastic things. So the production line include the first step, aluminium frame removing machine, second step, glass removing machine, and the crushing step include the double shaft shredder, the crusher, and the grinder, and also the separating step include the anti-vibrating screen, the air separator, and electrostatic separator. And this is a junction box removing machine, and just our fully continuous separation machine. The capacity is 110 per hour, and the semi-continuous one we have like then 700 to 900 per hour. They have different capacity, but if you need a larger one or a smaller one, also support to be customized. This is the this tool machine is the post dust collector. Is in order to collect the dust during the production to make our working shop clean. This machine is our new processing line. It's the robotic arm automatic feeding equipment that compare with this normal one. It's more flexible, like it's compared with this one. It's suitable for more raw material, and the position of the raw material that you put is not straighter than this step. And this is a new one. And here is the aluminum frame removing machine. So the fully continuous one and the semi-continuous one, the main differences: the first, capacity; second, automation rate; and it's the fully continuous one, separation rate will be higher, and the whole production looks more high-end. So that is why now more and more our customers will choose the fully continuous solar panel recycling plant. And this is the grinder. So do you have any questions about our machine or our the solar panel recycling business? You can type in the comment section, or you can send a private message to us and tell us how we can contact with you and what's your requirements, like what's your capacity, what's your like daily what's your raw materials, and what energy or invest that you want to have. Then we will give you the best customized, best choice, best plan for you. Different ways of different processing line. We have semi, fully, and the furnace type, suitable for different capacity, different way. So do you have any questions about the machine? And our live show will end in several minutes. Our processing line, not only we have the solar panel recycling plant, we also have the waste tire, waste plastic, pyrolysis plant, and by the way, the waste oil, the pyrolysis oil, the refining plant, and the furnace that to carbonize the biomass. So we call it the carbonizing machine. We can recycle the biochar and wood vinegar and the tar oil, the syngas from it. So if you have any questions about that, then welcome to contact with us. Our sales manager contact with you, and we can send how we can just communicate, like your WhatsApp, your email, or your WeChat. Then we'll give you our catalog, and if you need the price list, we need to know the capacity and the material that you have, and then give you a detailed price list for you. So do you have any questions about that? This is the solar panel recycling plant. We have three types: the semi-continuous, fully continuous and the frame type, the tunnel frame type, to recycle different size. While if your raw material, mirror material is a single glass PCB board, we can use the physical way. It's more environmental friendly, less invest, and it's more less cost of the energy consumption. But if your material is a double glass, then the tunnel furnace is more suitable. So now there are no very mature technical machine that can separate the double glass machine by using the physical way. So we suggest that you can choose the tunnel frame. It also have a very high separation rate, but we need to process with the purification equipment. It's not. You may think that it's a tunnel frame, the furnace have many pollution. Well, if you don't process with the purification step, indeed it have pollution. It have the smoke, the bad smoke. But we need to process with the purification step, the self-validation tower, the process collector to reach to the environmental friendly standard. So now the tired solar panel is mean tire is the double glass, but in the future, more and more single glass is time. And now in the future, double glass will have more waste than the single glass, because now more customers will choose to use the double side. So now you can process with the physical one, and if you have a more large capacity, then you can choose or you can add one tunnel frame. So that is all we have. And if you have any more questions, welcome to contact with us. Thank you for watching today. Have a nice day. Goodbye.